Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I'm a Sensible Nutrition educator in Natrona County. This month, as we're talking about sweet potatoes, certainly many of us will probably be having sweet potatoes with our Thanksgiving meal, but they're such a nutritious vegetable that we really want to be eating them year-round. They're full of vitamin A for healthy eyes and skin, and vitamin C to help us fight against those infections and colds that are so prevalent this time of year. Certainly, they're also packed with fiber as well. So we can buy sweet potatoes different ways: fresh, frozen, or canned. So with fresh sweet potatoes, there is a lot that we can do. I would say that these are the most versatile, and right now they're also the most economical. This sweet potato right here was exactly 1 pound, and 1 pound of sweet potatoes at my grocery store cost 98 cents. That makes it 6.2 cents per ounce. So with a fresh sweet potato, I can simply scrub the peel, pop it in the microwave or bake it, and then top it with sweet or savory toppings. We have a Sensible Nutrition recipe for oven fries, so we could do that with our sweet potatoes. We could, of course, peel them and then cube them or dice them and roast them along with some other vegetables like maybe broccoli or Brussels sprouts, onions, whatever veggies you like and whatever seasonings you like. So we could roast them that way as a great side dish. We also have a recipe that we will be making a video of very soon, so watch our Facebook page for that, and that will be sweet potato and black bean burritos, so we can use them in a dish like that. Sometimes when we have just a little bit of sweet potatoes left, we can use those in a soup or stew, or we can make a soup or stew using sweet potatoes to begin with. Some of our Sensible Nutrition recipes that use sweet potatoes in soups would be a spicy sweet potato soup, or a lentil soup, and there is the sweet potato and black bean burritos that I talked about coming up. We can also mash our sweet potatoes and use them as a side dish or with a casserole. Then we have canned sweet potatoes or canned yams. These right off are going to be a little bit sweeter because it tells us that they're in syrup. However, these are also economical. 15 ounces here, so just under a pound, cost $1, and that is 6.7 cents per ounce. So I think when we see the can of yams, most people would probably associate that with the classic Thanksgiving side dish of candied yams or yams with marshmallows over top. So certainly you could do something like that with them, or you could just warm them up in a pan and eat them as a side dish any time of year. We also have frozen sweet potatoes. These are the most expensive. This bag, which was 10 ounces, is $1.48, which is 14.8 cents per ounce. So that's twice as much, plus a little bit more, than our other options. But these are, admittedly, the most convenient. We don't have to peel them. We don't have to worry about them going bad. They're just going to be in our freezer. We wouldn't want to roast frozen sweet potatoes because, of course, they would get mushy, but these would be really great in soups or stews. You could also use them in a smoothie, and they might work in that black bean sweet potato recipe I was telling you about. Whether it's fresh, frozen, or canned, think of the way that is easiest for you to eat sweet potatoes and then pick them up next time you're at the grocery store. And then remember to eat them not just this month, but year-round to really get the health benefits of this very healthy vegetable. If you have any questions for us or comments, please feel free to leave a note below.